Greetings and salutations from a very grainy looking Kirkstall today. Right, so today, those of us who work in the industry, and probably those who pretend to work in the industry, get packages from VapeAround every so often. Normally it's just juice, you know, testers and stuff, presumably to see if we're going to sell it in the shop, or, you know, not that we have any say in that matter. But they actually sent us, this time, for Christmas I guess, the Vladdin RE. Now it's another pod system, and 300 milliamp battery, and resistance apparently says 1.2 to 1.5. Let's have a wee look at it in the box. You get instructions in various languages, box, and you get this with a ceramic coil in. And that's this thing here. Right, so what's different about this then? Well, looks fairly standard. USB charging on the bottom there. The pod itself is magnetic, so just sort of put that in there. Let's have a look. Here, click into place. Will that come out if it's rattling around in your bag? Not yet. It doesn't feel that strong a magnet. Connector pins in the bottom there. I'm not sure if you can see them in this light. Yeah. 2 connector points there, and it's got this nice sort of wavy, sort of artistic thing going on there to the shape. Size-wise, let's have a look at a blue pod. That's our standard. A touch bigger, of no major consequence. But what's different about this then? Well, this, unlike the blue system, that's your juice and your pod. Use that until it's gone, throw it away, unless you're going to be bothered trying to take it apart. But this one is actually refillable. So how do you do that then? Well, take off the top there, undo the plug, not a block plug, or a double block plug maybe for a hamster, and there you are, you have a fill hole in there. Did I say there's a ceramic coil inside here? I've not seen these for sale anywhere, in all fairness, so as and when this sort of dies, this coil, if I choose to get another one, I might have to get one online, but I'm not sure. Well, I'm starting to collect all these pod systems at home in my box. Performance-wise, just suck on it and go. There's no buttons to press, no nonsense. So again, you know, for certain people, it's got the benefits of simplicity, with the benefit of being able to fill it up, not having to buy whole new pods. So I guess more environmentally friendly, maybe. 1.5 mil in the tank. So again, it's you know, it's adequate for your lightweight, or you know, a lightweight vapor, or you know, it's a spare or something. Flavour is as you'd expect, sort of similar to a blue, similar to, you know, whatever else. Nothing sort of outstanding about this, but again, as I've said before, you know, I'm used to sort of bigger devices, so when I go to these, I do struggle to taste the flavour quite a lot of the time. Yeah, so that is the Vladdin RE. Thank you very much, VapeAround. Would I have gone and bought one? Well, probably not, because I haven't actually bought any pod systems yet. They've all come free. But yeah, like I say, for simplicity, but with benefits of refillability. Yeah, it's actually not a bad little thing there for a starter type vapor, or as a spare. Yeah, and nothing more to say really. Short video. It's nearly New Year, so if you don't see you before then, hope you had a happy Christmas back then. Happy New Year that side, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Most these things just ain't what they used to be, and it's probably because he ain't who he used to be. He's Moses, cause he's still moving the sea.